Welcome to another self-flying drone adventure, and we're here in beautiful Kidsgrove, here in the woods, just at the bottom of Ravenscliffe Road. Let's go and see what we can see. I see some daffodils up here. I don't know if we can actually get at them. It's a little bit on the breezy side today, so I don't know how it's going to do. Looks a bit on the muddy side. And just look at these beautiful daffodils. They're looking pretty awesome. A little bit on the windy side. It's a beautiful day today. Temperature only about 10°C. It's lovely in spring. Let's see how far along here we can go. Used to walk Nick along here many times. Been a while since I walked through here. Thought that I would head towards Chatley. And if we keep walking along here, it's going to take us to the corner of Stonebank Road. I thought it'd be a lot muddier than what it is. So I hope you're enjoying the self-flying drone adventures that we're bringing you in beautiful Kidsgrove. There are some really lovely walks on your doorstep here in Kidsgrove. Just duck down there, make sure the drone just passes the trees there. So how's the Hover X1 doing today? The windy, it's doing well. Let's keep going. So I hope you're all enjoying the continuation of videos. Hubs Part 2 was really good. And tomorrow we're going to walk around Kidsgrove Town Centre and we're going to check out all the old shops. It's going to be fabulous. Make sure you join us on that one. That should be going live probably Tuesday or Wednesday night next week. Wow, look at this garden here. All fenced off. The last time I come here that wasn't like that. Somebody must have a huge garden. I do remember there's like a little pathway bridge here, and that's still here. Never seen anything like this before. I don't know if you can see it there, but like mushrooms, and they're all like red mushrooms. That looks amazing. And there's absolutely loads of them all around here as well. Steps leading up to somebody's garden again then. Just look at the buds coming on the trees. All these are going to be flowering in another 6 weeks. I'm going to head up these steps. And there we go, Stonebank Road. It's only just a short video with the drone today. I hope you've enjoyed that. What we might do is just head back down to Ravenscliffe and let the drone follow us as much as it can. I can see the drone on the screen here. I know it's following me. I can also hear it as well. I'm quite surprised this path is not muddy. And look at that. All the trees. Fabulous. And the wind seems to have gone down a bit. Normally when you walk down here it's windy, you can see all these trees swaying. Shame about all this fence. I need to tidy that up. But yeah, the Hover X1 doing a pretty cool job following me through the woods today. Pretty amazing really, isn't it? There's just paths going absolutely everywhere. A little bit more muddier this way. Well, I think we'll end the video there. Hope you've enjoyed it. And of course, if you have, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next self-flying drone adventure real soon.